Hey there! Today I'm going to bring you a product review and ketone test. I need to test my ketones first, but I'm really excited to do this product today, so let's get into it. Okay, fingers crossed. Woohoo! Okay, so I am going to have my one and only Quest sea salt caramel almond snack bar. So the calories on this is 210. It's 15 grams of fat, 15 total carbs, 7 dietary fiber, and 4 sugar alcohol. So it's 3 net carbs. Okay, so this is weird. It says 5 net carbs on the front, but 15 total carbs minus 7 dietary fiber minus 4 sugar alcohol is 4 net carbs? Am I losing it or what? 15 minus 7 minus 4 is 4 net carbs. That's a misprint. Anyways, 10 grams of protein. Let's get into the ingredients. Almonds, soluble corn fiber, peanuts, whey protein isolate, palm kernel oil, erythritol, glycerin, sodium caseinate, milk protein isolate, contains less than 2% of the following: cacao processed with alkali, water, natural flavors, sea salt, stevia, sweetener, sunflower lecithin. It looks pretty darn good. Oh, I was not expecting that. I was expecting more like a granola bar. So, it's filled with nuts, like whole nuts. It's not like crushed up nuts, so there's not like a give to it. It does have a little bit of like a syrupy kind of thing going on, so there's a little bit of a chew. And there's these like Rice Krispie like things, but they are whole nuts. Whole nuts. See, that's a whole nut. The drizzle on top doesn't taste like caramel. So it looks like the nuts are glazed with something. It kind of has a hint of like a honey kind of taste or flavor. Kind of like those granola bars, like the Quaker granola bars. That's what the flavor is, but then it's just really nutty. I don't taste sea salt in it at all. No kind of caramel flavor, in my opinion. This icing has no flavor to it. I took some just on its own. It doesn't taste like sea salt. I'm going to finish this, and then I'll test my ketones in another hour. Okay, it has been 1 hour since I last tested my ketones and finished that Quest snack bar. My ketones were at 0.6 before, so let's test my ketones and see where they're at now. Okay. Wow. That, I was not expecting that. I could have sworn I had seen someone else do a ketone test and it worked out differently. I'm not sure though. I'm going to test my ketones in another hour and see if they change any more. So, I'll be back in an hour. Okay, I am about 5 minutes early for my 2-hour ketone test, but I'm starting to get really hungry. I haven't had a whole lot to eat today, so I'm going to go ahead and test my ketones now. Okay, 1 hour ago I was at 0.9. That's really awesome. I kind of can't believe that. I was not expecting that at all. So that's pretty incredible. I'm glad about that. I know a lot of you guys really like those bars, so good news. Finally, good news. But that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you have any suggestions for any ketone tests that you'd like me to do in the future, please let me know. But with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.